Here's viral app on TikTok, which just introduced some really fun filters, and it's called Remini Baby AI app. And yeah, I will just show you how to generate some of these viral filters here. So just open the app, and then you need to go to AI photos. Second tab from the left in the bottom. And then you need to upload at least 8 your selfies. There are some instructions how to do it. Your face should be clearly visible, and yeah, just nice lighting, no group photos, no photos with animals or friends. And then if you wanted to use this viral pregnancy filter, or you want to use this like some baby filters, you need to select your gender as female, obviously, or other. If you select your gender as male, you won't be able to find those filters. And then, yeah, I already did that, so it doesn't ask me to upload more selfies. So I can just change model image, and from here I can select pregnancy filter, or I can select this baby filter as a model image. And then, yeah, it's just there is estimated time when it's ready. It says here around 3 minutes. Usually the first time is around like 6-7 minutes you need to wait, but then it's like 3 minutes. And the more you generate, the faster it should be. And of course, yeah, you need to upgrade to be able to use these filters. You can upgrade to the light version for $5 per week, or to the pro version for $10 per week. And then, yeah, you'll be able to use it. So I just got some, some photos from like some stock photos, and then you can see this is how like this pregnancy filter looks like. And then, yeah, if you just upload this kind of selfies in the bottom, you will see that it will generate this kind of image for you. So yeah, that's basically using the AI. It's quite cool, and it's going viral on TikTok. But now we're just generating this baby filter. So then this is kind of the photo you will get. You can just save it like this, or yeah, some of those are not like that good. And then you just save photo to gallery, and then yeah, you can just save it or trash it. So yeah, that's basically the idea. And yeah, so try it out.